Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a 2003 Toyota Matrix, and unfortunately it has a brake light out on the right side there, and today we're going to change that light. So one of the great things about these cars is the ease by which you can access the rear lights, not just the brake lights, but all the lights. There's little panels on either side of the car which you can just simply remove, and there you have it. You have access to all the lights in back of the car. Now the light we're interested in is the one way up on top, the one where my finger is pointing at right now. So what you want to do is just grab the back of the light, kind of do a little twisting motion until it pops out, and then pull it straight out. And there you have it, and that's the light, and you can kind of see it's burnt out. And what I'm going to replace them with today are Sylvania Long Life bulbs, in this case product number 7443. And changing them out is as simple as pulling one bulb out and replacing it with the other. And then you just reverse the process. Kind of stick in the bulb, twist it until you hear a click, and then it's in. And then just don't forget to replace the panel, and you're all set. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.